Welcome to Next Map. Today we take you on a breathtaking journey through Lithuania, a land of serene lakes, endless forests, and charming villages steeped in history. This Baltic gem holds landscapes that feel untouched by time, where rolling dunes kiss the sea and medieval castles stand tall against the sky. Join us on this cinematic adventure as we explore Lithuania's most mesmerizing wonders, from its pristine national parks to the quiet beauty of its countryside. Let the journey begin. Lithuania's coastline stretches along the Baltic Sea, offering a stunning fusion of land and water. One of the country's greatest natural treasures is the Curonian Spit, a UNESCO-listed wonder where towering sand dunes rise like golden mountains. The Nida Dune, standing nearly 52 meters tall, offers breathtaking panoramic views of the surrounding landscapes. As the wind sweeps across the dunes, shifting the sand with a timeless rhythm, we step into Nida, a quiet fishing village with charming wooden houses, vibrant facades, and a peaceful harbor. Here, the air is filled with the scent of pine forests and salt water, a place where time slows down and nature reigns supreme. At sunset, the waters of the Baltic Sea glow with hues of amber and violet, reflecting the sky's masterpiece on the calm horizon. It is a place of silence, where the waves whisper ancient stories. Beyond the coastline, Lithuania's soul lies in its forests. Nearly a third of the country is covered in woodlands, each hiding a world of secrets. Aukštaitija National Park, the oldest in Lithuania, is a land of shimmering lakes and deep forests. Here, nature thrives untouched, and age-old villages rest by the water's edge. The Ladakalnis Hill, a sacred place to Lithuania's ancestors, offers a view of 6 interconnected lakes. A scene of pure magic. As we drift across the water, The reflection of ancient pine trees dances in the ripples, and the sound of birds fills the air. Further south, Dzūkija National Park welcomes us with its mystical pine forests and wooden homesteads. This is a land of folklore, where beekeeping traditions stretch back centuries and where rivers carve through landscapes of untouched wilderness. In autumn, the forests become a painter's palette, glowing with golden birch leaves and deep crimson oaks. Lithuania's national parks are places where nature speaks, and silence is a melody. Lithuania's history is written across its landscapes. One of its most breathtaking sights is Trakai Island Castle, floating on the serene waters of Lake Galve. A masterpiece of medieval architecture, the red-bricked fortress stands proudly, reflecting its legacy onto the water's surface. Walking through Trakai, the scent of freshly baked Kibinai, a traditional pastry, fills the air, a reminder of the Karaim community that has lived here for centuries. But Lithuania's historical wonders extend beyond its castles. In the north, the Hill of Crosses stands as a profound symbol of resilience. Over 100,000 crosses, large and small, create a landscape like no other, a testament to Lithuania's strength and faith through the ages. In Kernavė, the ancient capital, rolling hills hide the echoes of a once thriving civilization. Here, time feels frozen, and the whispers of Lithuania's past can still be heard in the wind. Lithuania's rivers and lakes are the lifeblood of its landscapes. The Neris River, winding through the heart of the country, has long been a pathway of trade and culture. As the mist rises in the morning light, the river tells stories of centuries past. In the east, the Lake District of Molėtai holds some of the most pristine waters in the Baltic region. Reflections of the sky shimmer on the surface as local fishermen glide through the water in wooden boats. At night, the lakes transform into celestial mirrors, reflecting the endless stars above. The Lithuanian Astronomical Observatory, hidden within these landscapes, offers some of the clearest night skies in Europe. Lithuania's beauty shifts with the seasons. Winter turns its landscapes into a fairy tale, with snow-laden forests and frozen lakes. In Vilnius, Christmas lights twinkle against the backdrop of the city's historic old town, while deep in the countryside, rural villages embrace the silence of the season. Spring breathes life back into the land. Fields burst into color as wildflowers bloom and rivers rush forward with the melting snow. Summer brings golden fields of rye and rolling green hills. The Baltic beaches become a haven for those seeking peace by the sea, while ancient forests hum with life. Then comes autumn, a season of fire and gold. In the national parks, leaves drift gently onto glassy lakes, creating a scene of pure poetry. Lithuania is a country where nature and history exist in perfect harmony. From the whispering dunes of the Curonian Spit to the still waters of Trakai, every landscape holds a story waiting to be told. As we conclude our journey, we invite you to experience Lithuania's beauty for yourself, to wander through its forests, to listen to the song of its rivers, and to stand beneath its endless skies. Thank you for joining Next Map on this cinematic exploration of Lithuania's wonders. Until next time, may your travels be filled with beauty and discovery.